Welcome back to the channel and for watching these videos as always. These particular videos don't get a lot of ratings, but I do find them fascinating just because I'm interested in it, and it's about how we make these jetties actually. So this is one we've been working on for quite a few weeks now. So it was just going to be a bit of a repair job, but we've ended up replacing most of it. So there's a sailboat that typically goes in here. I was here the past weekend helping put the new platform out there. So I think to get this section here replaced took us about 3 weeks. Another 2 weeks for this section because we have to take old pilings out, put new pilings in, put the stringers across and the cross braces, and we put those stringers on the week before last, just out this last platform. And so last weekend was about putting the steps in down to it and then boarding and securing those stringers against the other beams. Just a very small video today, but again I find these things absolutely fascinating, just because it gives me a reason to come down here at weekends and help out, and it creates a lot of camaraderie with the teams that do it. But I enjoy it, so that should be finished in the next week. But anyway, that's enough for that one. Let's go make another quick video. Till next time, take care. Bye bye.